place another order. Hello, people in TV land. Welcome back to Sharon Ryan's show. And we're gonna do something totally different. Well, actually, she gonna do something totally different because I'm not doing it. I'm just filming. She's gonna show y'all how to make some enchiladas. Yeah, so I don't know how to make enchiladas. I keep saying lasagna.
Yeah.
But I like it. Anyway, so she's gonna show y'all how to make enchiladas.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you easy way how to make them. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm ready to eat. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to make enchiladas, but I wanted to go over what I use first. So I personally like corn tortillas. They don't have to be this brand, but I like corn tortillas. On the other hand, Ron likes flour tortillas. You can get any size. They're all rolled the same. I just get hamburger meat, whatever hamburger meat you want to use. I personally like the El Pato enchilada sauce or the El Paso enchilada sauce. It's really good. So I use those. And then today I'm cheating. I'm not gonna make it from scratch. So we're gonna try this rice. It looks like it has green peppers and tomatoes in it. It looks really cool, or not cool, really good. And it's made in 15 minutes. We're gonna try it. I always buy this brand of refried beans if I'm not actually making the beans. What else you're gonna need is some shredded cheese, and then if you prefer to use not tomatoes, onions. So that's all I use, and then I end up using these types of pans to cook them in. Alright, so right now I am just adding the meat right now, and then for seasonings, what I use for my seasonings to season my meat is lemon pepper, onion powder, and soul seasoning. And with the meat, I over season a little bit. I put a little more than I would actually really use because we end up draining the meat and a lot of the flavor will come out of the meat. So you want to over flavor your meat a little bit, over season it. I'm gonna try saying that 5 times fast.
Over season.
Alright, so right now I'm getting this big pan to do my sauce. The sauce, I don't worry about seasoning because if you buy certain sauces, they're already seasoned. So this one already has like the seasoning in it. It has onions in it. It's like I said, it's pre-seasoned. So
are those spicy?
These aren't spicy, but they're on the spicier side. Right now I'm just putting my sauce on the stove and I'm just gonna let it simmer. I'm gonna put it on the lowest heat possible because I don't want it to cook super fast because my meat's not gonna be done for a while.
Tell people how much you love cutting onions.
I hate cutting onions. Leave in the comments down below, okay? If you cry or your eyes water when you cut onions. Ron thinks I'm crazy when my eyes water and I cut onions because they burn so bad. So please, in the comments down below, please tell me if it happens to you.
Listen, if you run your onions under cold water before you cut them, you ain't gonna cry.
I've tried that. I've tried the freezer thing. I've tried everything. It doesn't work. Okay, so my meat's about done. My sauce is about done. And right now I'm getting ready to heat up the corn tortillas. So what I do is I have like a super low flame because I'm only trying to heat up the tortilla. I'm not really trying to cook it. If you don't really like to heat up your tortillas on a stove, you could put it in the microwave. I just like the flavor that it gives. Okay, so my sauce just got done. I just put it in a big bowl. When I do my enchiladas, I like to put them in separate bowls. It's a lot easier when you're trying to roll them. So what I do is take the whole tortilla. The sauce is super hot, so be careful when you're doing it. I take it, And then make sure your hands are clean because you're gonna really use your hands. So I put some meat in it. And then I get my onions. And then I get my cheese. And then I scoot everything to one side and then I roll. And then when I put it in the pan, I put the folded side down so that way it'll stay. And then I repeat it over. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some more sauce. Is that okay for you?
More? Just a little tad more. Yep.
Okay?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh.
So what happened? He's standing here, we're trying to film, and what happens? His pants fall down.
Yep. Hold on, y'all. 1 second. And we back, baby. Yeah.
So I just did the sauce. So now I'm gonna go back in with my onions and.
How do you say onions in Spanish?
I don't know.
Wow.
I can't think of the word right now.
Horrible.
Give me a second. He puts me on the spot, and I'm like.
But if you speak Spanish, you speak Spanish.
I know.
That's like me sitting there saying, I speak English. How you say this? I don't know. I'm on the spot.
You know how many people think they speak English? Okay, anyways. So I'm very generous with the top layer. So then I get my meat.
Generous, really?
Generous.
Oh,
I'm
God.
generous. Okay. Anyways.
Is your name Ellen?
I would love to meet Ellen. So I put my meat, and then with
Give me some more meat on top.
you want more meat?
Yeah, give me some meat.
Okay. I go in with, I do a lot, like I said, I do a lot of cheese on top.
Ah, baby.
Ooh.
You ever, when y'all making food and it look good, you turn to a creeper, you make creeper noises? Yeah.
No, that's only you.
Yeah, there it is. Put that, oh, right there, right there.
I end up going, getting the sauce, and I just drip it on top. It's not really anything. It's just like a little drizzle just to make it look fancy.
And then you put it in the oven, right?
And then we put it in the oven. When you put them in the oven, I set my oven to 350. And I cook them for about, I want to say about 20 minutes. It, like I said, it depends on how good your oven is, or, you know, you pretty much just keep an eye on them until your cheese is melted.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was her making enchiladas. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure if y'all got any more requests, send them in the comments or hit up the hotline.
Yeah.
And I'm about to smash, man. I'm about to smash. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. See y'all later. Peace.
Bye.